Have you ever wondered if there were succulents that could surprise you with their unusual appearance? Succulents come in a myriad of shapes, colors, and sizes, but some truly stand out with their unique forms. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of unusual succulents. In the vast world of succulents, some stand out for their unique and strange appearance. Let's delve into the realm of the unusual, starting with the lithops, also known as living stones. These peculiar plants hail from the arid regions of southern Africa. They mimic the appearance of stones, a clever survival strategy to avoid being eaten by animals. Their care needs just a good amount of sunlight and a little water. Next up, meet the Crassula umbella, affectionately known as the wine cup. Native to Namibia, this succulent has an inverted umbrella shape that catches rainfall and directs it towards its roots. It's an incredible adaptation, isn't it? Remember, they thrive in well-drained soil and bright but indirect light. Finally, let's discuss the Euphorbia obesa, or the baseball plant. This spherical succulent from South Africa resembles a baseball, hence the name. It thrives in hot, dry conditions and requires minimal watering. But be careful, it secretes a milky sap that can be irritating to the skin. These unusual succulents certainly add an element of surprise to any garden, don't they? The world of succulents is full of surprises, as we've seen. From the alien-like lithops to the charming string of pearls, these unusual succulents truly redefine the ordinary. They not only add a touch of intrigue to your garden, but also offer a fun and unique gardening experience. So why not take a leap into this fascinating world and let these curious plants transform your space? If you enjoyed this journey into the world of unusual succulents, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating plant content.